Hello everyone, I am Fahim Ansari from RP Institute of Pharmacy, Technical and Medical Campus. Today we will discuss about the various type of liquid dosage forms available in the market and how they are formulated and what are the categories of these liquid dosage forms. Firstly, what is liquid dosage form? Liquid dosage form is a dosage form which have liquid in nature, or a container is used to carry the doses. These are categorized into two types: monophasic liquid dosage form and biphasic liquid dosage forms. Monophasic liquid dosage forms are those dosage forms which have single phase, or a solid solution or two liquid solutions are completely miscible with each other, or the solid is completely dissolved in the liquid. And while the biphasic liquid dosage forms having two phases, one may be solid and one may be liquid, and or both are the liquids. They are of two types: emulsion and suspension. The liquids, immiscible liquids, they are of liquid which are immiscible, or liquid and solid. But in monophasic form there is completely liquid, so it is called monophasic. It only has one phase. Monophasic is further subdivided into two categories. First is internal use and second is for external use. The internal use are the solutions which are used internally or we take through the mouth. These are draughts, drops, linctures, syrups, elixirs and mixtures. But for external use, they are further subdivided into various categories. Firstly, the liquids meant for the oral cavity, liquids applied on the other cavities on the body, and the liquids applied on the skin, which we apply on the skin. The liquids for oral cavities are gargles, mouthwashes, throat paints, glycerides and throat sprays. And the liquids which are applied on the other body cavities are douches, enemas, ear drops, nasal drops and inhalant and eye drops. Next are the liquid applied on the skin. The various type of skins applied on the skins are liniments, lotions and colloidons. These are the dosage form of liquid dosage form. Thank you. In next lecture we will discuss about the separate dosage forms each. Thank you.